So one of the questions that I get asked the most is about cooking fish. There seems to be a fear of it from a lot of people, it seems. Today what we're going to do is going to make some fillet fish. I think this is a dory fish, you know, one of those frozen white fishes. We're going to season it, flour it, we're going to fry it. It's so easy and it's absolutely banging. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so look, I've got this fish here, look, 3 fillets of it. It was frozen, you know, I've got just a bag of frozen fish. I put it into some cold water. And then what I've done, I trimmed it up a little bit, you know, cut the ends off to kind of square it out a little bit there. And then I've got some paper towel and I've patted it as dry as I can. So it's just, you know, I think it's dory fish or something like that. But yeah, that's what you're going to need. So in that bowl, I've got 4 tablespoons of flour. I'm using a wheat plain flour. You could use cornstarch or something if you wanted. And then you can see I've got some spices there. They're equal parts. They're like a teaspoon each. And I'm going to go for salt, pepper, chili powder, cumin powder, turmeric, and garlic powder. But of course, you can add anything that you like to this. Maybe some allspice in there or something like that. Cardamom powder. Entirely up to you. Just going to give that a little mix. And then we've got our seasoned flour for our fish. So that's mixed in. Simply, we're going to take a piece of our fish here. We're going to drop that in. And we're going to coat it. Once we've done that, and I've done the other 2 pieces, this is ready to cook. Really simple. And when you're done, just give it a little shake off. Job done. So I've got a frying pan here. I'm using some sunflower oil. You could use corn oil or different oil, up to you. I've got maybe 2 centimeters there. The heat's on. I'm going to get our fish, just give it a little shake off there. And in it goes. Beautiful. So this is quite a delicate, light fish. And obviously a fillet. So I'm going to flip that over just a couple of times. It's going to take maybe about 5 minutes aside. Now, as it's quite delicate, don't over flip it because it can break, you know. So I might just turn it a couple more times after that. So that's looking absolutely beautiful. Off goes the heat. Now I've got a plate here with some kitchen paper on it. We're going to pop that on there. But you can see that's really beautiful. All those spices cooked really nicely in there. So I'm going to just pop that on the kitchen paper just for a few minutes to get any excess oil from it. And that's it, job done. You've got some really beautiful, easy, delicious fish. All right, and there you go, look, really lovely. Just serving that with some tomato and lemon. You could give that a squeeze of lemon on top if you want. But yeah, have that with some fries or chips. Stick that in a sandwich with some garlic mayo or something like that. Just really, really simple and delicious. I hope you enjoyed that. Like I say, I get asked this question quite a lot. How about cooking fish? I think some of you are a bit scared of it. But yeah, it's really simple, nice and easy, delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon. Take care. Lots of love. Mwah. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.